Hi gang, Rob here. It is the evening of 16 June 2013 and tonight I just had to share this with you guys. It is a sickness at times. I have this old Ontario SP5 Spec Plus Bowie in 1095 plain carbon steel, epoxy coated, 9.5-inch blade, I guess. And this knife is primarily my wood processing knife, has been for several years. As you can see, it has batoned many a log. No coating in the primary wear area. Oh, did you see that? That's the sickness I'm talking about. It was time to put an edge on this thing after a few years, and for the 4 or 5 years that I've owned it, I've just kind of maintained the factory convex edge with a mouse pad and sandpaper, and kind of strapped the very edge to keep it from rusting. And it was time. So what did I do? I got out the Edge Pro. Look at this thing. This is what 2 hours of time on the Edge Pro will do. Look at that. There is absolutely no earthly reason this knife needs this edge. Oh, this is about 18 and 23, kind of a thicker edge. It's polished all the way through the studs and the strop. Actually, you know, as I laugh, it kind of makes sense. You got a steel that will rust and something you're going to be impacting wood with. Polished edge is really what you want. Now, I don't know how long it's going to stay this nice, but probably not very, but it should be easy to touch up. That's the whole point, I guess. Or I'm just nuts. Well, shall we see if it cuts? Let's see if my splitting maul will cut phone book paper. Okay. I'm going to struggle to get this in frame, but let's try it. Well, we started at the root, clear up to the hilt. Let's see if it cuts to the tip. Oh, that's just stupid is what that is. Let's see. He's insane. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh. If you all have a 9-inch Bowie and you'd like it sharpened on the Edge Pro and with a polished edge through the strap, let's see. 9.5 inches, probably 10.5 of cutting edge. I don't know, that ought to run you 50 or 60 bucks. Of course, the knife costs 50 or 60 bucks, so I really don't expect anybody to be that nuts. See, this is what happens when I don't stay focused, guys. I had other things I could have done tonight. But it is a sickness, this sharpening of blades. I hope you all are as entertained as I am, or shaking your head, and you'll write me and tell me I need help. And I do. Grace and peace, guys, and remember the word and the Spec Plus Bowie are sharp. Good night, guys.